Welcome to 3-minute groove. We're going to get started in a nice plie here. Take your hips right and left. Get down a little lower for me. Thank you. Arms overhead, please. Just a tad bit lower. Arms out to the side. Keep on breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it down and pulse. Give me 4 more. Arms behind your head, sumo squat. Singles, down and up. Arms in front and pulse. Really burning out those quads right now. Behind your head, down and up. Four, 3, 2, 1. Sway it right and left. Arms up. Almost full circles with your hands. 3, 2. Reach it right here. Reach. Guess what? We're not done with those squats yet. Take it down to a plie squat again. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna twist, twist, up, up. Twist, twist. Engaging that core. Activating all the muscles in your body right now. Last 2. Last 1. Inhale up. Exhale down and hold. Inhale up again. Exhale down and hold. Now straighten your legs. You're going to tap right to left foot, left to right foot. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it on the left. Reach up your left arm. We're going to switch right now. Left to right toes. Right arm is up. Both arms forward in between your feet. It's a nice forward fold. Slowly roll up. Right here, head comes up last. And you're done.